soft, delicious. There's no scent in this, so it just smells like all the natural ingredients.
Yo, I feel like I could make this vanilla milk toner myself. What if I pranked someone? Alright guys, so Kylie skin. There are a ton of reviews on Kylie skin, and I've watched probably all of them, and I ordered my own Kylie skin, and it actually just got in. And the packaging is beautiful. She's the queen of branding. I tried this actually last night, and the products I think are pretty good. If you guys follow Kylie Jenner on her YouTube channel, she made a skincare routine video and she's going over all her products and what's in them.
So I'm gonna show you guys my everyday skincare routine.
And she keeps using the word natural and organic and true to what it's made from.
So it just smells like pure, soft, delicious. There's no scent in this, so it just smells like all the natural ingredients.
It has a very holistic vibe to it. Like the toner is vanilla milk toner. There is a walnut face scrub. After watching those videos, I was just like laughing to myself like, yo, I feel like I could make this vanilla milk toner myself. Then I got the idea, what if I pranked someone and actually did DIY this, but put it inside the bottles so that way they didn't know. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. I am going to try to DIY these products, and for the things I can't replicate, I'm gonna get like dollar store face wash and put them in the things I can't replicate. And I'm going to do a fake review with my older sister, Alex. My older sister, Alex, is very gullible. I'm the more suspicious, logical sister, and Alex is more the gullible, slightly naive, more open-minded than me. I feel like if I was to do this video with somebody, like I would call them out right away. Like I would know because I'm a conspiracy theorist. Like my mind goes there. Her mind doesn't go there. So when I pull this prank on her, I really don't think she'll know. And I think she'll be like, this is like really nice. There's a hate train with Kylie skin, but at the same time, there's also this like love train that everyone's trying to hop on and promote it because everyone wants to be on Kylie Jenner's PR list. So it's like, there's a hate train, there's a kiss ass train, and I'm curious to see if Alex is gonna be really honest. It's not gonna be easy, but I'm gonna do it. And for those of you guys that are gonna say I'm wasting all this, I'm actually not. I'm going to take all this product, I'm gonna put it into like travel containers temporarily while I replace it with my DIYs. And after this video, I'm just gonna put it back into these tubes and use it whenever. All right, let's go. We brought the Kylie skin so that way we could like really get good dupes.
Feel the consistency.
Let's see how good we can do.
It's white.
Let's get that for the moisturizer dupe. So we found some scrubs at the dollar store. Coconut oil and sea salt. Honestly, the walnut scrub doesn't even smell like walnuts, so I don't think she'll notice.
Foot cream?
Yeah, let's put foot cream for the eye cream like in Mean Girls.
And we gave you foot cream instead of face wash. God!
Can we please put foot cream instead of face cream? Imagine her actually putting... Wait, this is perfect. Foot cream has a unique consistency. It's like a thicker moisturizer.
Make sure that you can put it on your face. Like,
yeah, I don't want to like give her a
avoid contact with the eyes. We're putting in the eye cream. We can't do that.
Let's make this be the face moisturizer.
And then use the moisturizer
as the eye cream. I found foaming hand wash and it's pear scented. What if we put this in water so that way it foamed? Okay, we're gonna buy this. I think it's only green because of the packaging. I think it's actually clear, the liquid. Is that a good dupe for the vitamin C serum? What is it?
It looks, it's
vitamin E, vitamin C, vitamin E, kind of similar. All right, so we pretty much have everything. We just have to buy the DIY products like the coconut milk for the coconut milk toner. Let's do a one-stop shop. This won't be any different than coconut milk. So this is where we're putting all the actual product into. There's a syringe too to help us take out all the product. Time to experiment. This is kind of like an experiment video too. That's why I'm kind of about this. It's like an experiment, prank, Kylie Jenner, skin, I don't know, everything I like in one. All right guys, so we are here. We are doing this. This is happening. This was my idea last night and it seemed a little unachievable. So hopefully we prove my doubts wrong. It smells really good. Okay.
Alright.
This was really helpful, these things.
They're ketchup bottles.
Ooh, satisfying.
Look how thick she is.
What? It looks wrong. It looks runny and wrong. Wait, and then we can have Alex really try it because I'll give her these.
I think that's all I'm gonna do.
Looks like poop. Some people are probably gonna be cringing at like what we're doing to the product.
But like we're not
throwing
wasting it.
Ooh, look at that. What Kylie Cosmetics looks like. Scrub the.
It's like all that's in there.
What? That's all that's in the vitamin C bottle? Tea. That's tea.
Like nothing else is coming out.
Done. Wait, it's already bubbly. I'm gonna put a dash of this in there. Just throw it off a little bit. Make it more foamy. Oh, it's really foaming. For some reason, it's like really blown out.
I think we put too much in, that's why it came out.
Really? Oh, we did. This is the
Vitamin-
joke. This is the vitamin C. That's everything that's in here. I took off my makeup. We are fresh-faced and getting ready to review.
Be careful.
Alex is joining me for this review.
I'm joining her. Oh, I should probably take this off. I never did any Kylie whatever.
Have you watched the videos I told you to watch? Like her skincare routine and stuff?
No.
Alright guys, so I have my older sister, Alex, with me. I always say older sister, but she's not that much older.
I know, everybody comments are like, they make it sound like she's so much older.
I know. I have like this setup. Every time you see a Kylie skin review, every beauty guru has a pink background and a bowl. So
I don't know anything, but okay.
I watch all these. The reason why I have Alex with me, guys, is because I want two opinions. So I want this to be honest and genuine, and if it impresses you, let us know.
Okay.
If it's horrible, let us know. So let's start. So,
Kylie ain't paying me right now, so I don't care.
So the first thing in the regimen is the foaming face wash.
Okay.
So I guess you start with a few pumps on your hand.
Pumps. It smells like candy necklaces. That's my honest review.
You think it smells like candy?
It honestly, I mean, it's not that special. It just kind of feels like you took some soapy water and put it on your face. Does that mean I'm sorry? Sorry, Kylie.
What do you rate this 1 out of 10?
5.
5, okay, that's something. A lot of people are like, hating on her.
It
products.
literally looks like it's just like they put some Sprite in a bottle. Like, I don't know.
Okay, so the next thing is the walnut face scrub that everyone talks about. This is very controversial. Oh, it's like runnier.
Oh, there's not like chunks of walnuts in
Ooh,
it.
smell that.
Like the beach.
Coconut oil and sea salt. Honestly, the walnut scrub doesn't even smell like walnuts.
I like that.
It's runnier than I expected.
There's like just little chunk, like the walnuts are like little speckles. They're not, ooh, I actually like this. Ooh, I like this one. It feels like I'm putting like yogurt with sprinkles on my face. Ooh, I like this. What is this? Is this like, it's just like
A scrub is like an exfoliator.
exfoliate?
It's like very moisturizing for an exfoliator.
Yeah, I feel like it's a moisturizer with just chunks of This is the most honest Kylie review because I don't know anything about face stuff.
What do you rate this walnut scrub?
Like an 8.
An 8. That's good.
I like the walnut scrub.
So you like the smell and
I hope I'm not allergic to walnuts though.
We don't have cotton pads, so I guess we can use the ends of our towels. It's vanilla milk toner. So like this,
Okay.
what does toner even do for your skin?
Tones it up. It like goes into the, I think you're using too much.
It's
but
called vanilla milk toner. Ooh, smell that.
look, it like evaporates into
Smell
the
that.
towel. I can't really smell it. Gotta put a little bit more on there. Okay, so now what do we do?
And then you just blot it.
I mean, It's just like melted ice cream that you're just like putting into your skin.
Melted ice.
That's all it is. It evaporated into the towel. It's like, I'm gonna get so many comments like, your sister's dumbass. I don't think that did anything.
This is face.
Give that a 2.
This is face moisturizer.
And we gave you foot cream instead of face wash. God.
Oh.
Ooh,
I just like
a
broke
little bit
it
came
off.
out. Break it.
Oh my god. Right.
It just squirt. Is this just lotion?
It's moisturizer. This is like one of the last steps of the regimen. So the way you apply moisturizer, Alex, is boom, boom, boom.
Oh, I like this. This is nice. I feel like I'm at the spa. But that other I don't think it did anything. This, I feel like, is making my skin feel like a butt cheek. I literally feel like it's kind of has a sticky residue that I'm not a fan of, and I feel like I've used 99-cent moisturizers that feel better than this. So, sorry Kylie, I'm giving that a 3. That is just, look, this is literally 99-cent moisturizer that they put in a pink bottle with Kylie's name on it. I'm sorry. Sorry Kardashian, Jenners, whatever the
This is the eye cream.
Again, I don't know what this is doing.
Vitamin C serum.
This one smells, I like this one.
Vitamin C. Her products, and I watched her videos, you didn't. She kept saying they're very organic. For example, vanilla milk toner, like really is like vanilla milk toner. So I want to try it, okay?
What?
I'm gonna try it.
Really?
I'm ballsy. Drinking Kylie Jenner's milk toner.
If you're doing that one, I want to. What's this? The walnut? Does it taste like walnuts? I don't know. Let's see.
Set, go. Wait, this ain't bad. Do you think this is worth 14 or 150?
Probably in the middle.
Pick 14 or 150.
14.
Because it is $14. Because I traded out all the products for dollar store. I also put almond milk in here.
Oh no.
How does your almond milk face feel?
Ew! I
drank this. You were like,
what? Wait, none of this is real?
no!
This doesn't feel like soapy water. This feels like an actual thing that you would buy and spend money on. See, this feels like Dermalogica. This is like expensive.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow Alex on her socials and her YouTube. I'll link it all down below. If you guys aren't a blue babe, be sure to become a blue babe by hitting the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Bye!